Welcome, people. Just wait for a few minutes as we have the 4 minutes in hand, so no worry. Just let in our honorable guest. I think we can start then. So stay tuned for that. Hello, sir. Good day. Can you hear me?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, sir. It's loud and
Hi,
clear. So
how's
I
it
think,
going? Good to be here.
yeah, yeah, going good. All right. Just waiting for you to start. And also, I saw that a lot of people just join, and also there, so much. What can I say? Great to know about the interact with, and also to hear from
Thank
your
you.
side.
Yeah, actually, I'm very excited to be here and joining everybody. So, yeah, thanks everybody who's joined and taking their time to be here with us and to learn more about Interact with. Uh, yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get this started.
Yeah. So first of all, I just want to thank the Wise Crypto community for arranging this amazing game session with the interactive, and also I can say a little bit about the interact. Like interact with helps to the businesses and also the individuals make the transitions from the traditional Web3 platforms to the decentralized, like blockchain-based platforms that is Web3. So here is our honorable guest. Sir, could you please introduce yourself first and also later then your say about your project and also what is your mission in crypto?
Yeah, sure. So, first, allow me to just introduce myself shortly. So I'm Adam. I'm 35. I live in Tel Aviv, Israel. I'm an American Israeli, and I've been in crypto since 2017. Pretty much seen it all. Been here for many cycles, and basically, I'm the in the past 6 years I've been leading the blockchain department in one of the big four companies here in Israel, Deloitte Strategy. And then I was part of a founding team of a public blockchain company that provides fintech solutions for financial institutions. And nowadays, I'm CEO and one of the founders of InteractWith, which is NFT on-ramp infrastructure for Web2 applications, brands, and games. What we do is basically we allow any Web2 app game to easily integrate and add Web3 capabilities into their application. Um, we put a focus on the easy to use products. Um, and our mission is to accelerate the adoption of blockchain technology around the world. And we're going to do that by bringing compelling mass market Web3 integration tools. That's basically our expertise. I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. And also, I can say, like, additionally, there offers a gamified wallet with the social features to enhance the user experience by using interact with tools and also the service. So their goals is now like helping the business and also individuals easily that is transition from Web 2 to Web 3 actually, and also providing a plug to play situations for the game developers to integrate with the blockchain technology and a lot of people just stayed with us. I think we can inform you a lot of things. So let's get to the next question. Could you please say like how the game developers can quickly upgrade their games actually, as I mentioned and you mentioned, and also what the benefits for the developers and also users you are providing?
Yeah, sure. So actually, we have a lot of plans for creating value for game developers, game studios, and app developers in general. And one of our additional missions is also to create value for the users and to create a smooth onboarding process from Web 2 to Web 3. So let's focus right now on the app developers. Basically, what we allow for them is an easy way to migrate and transition or experiment with Web3 and specifically with NFTs. So we allow any app developer, any game developer, game studio to add Web3 capabilities into their existing app without the need to change anything, without the need to learn Solidity or blockchain coding. and with no upfront costs. We allow them to experiment with Web3. What that means specifically is that we give the app developers the ability to integrate into their app the possibility for users to mint in-game items as NFTs, which is pretty cool. And we also allow for the users to pay with that for that minting of an NFT with simply with their credit card. So we're bringing a familiar Web2 experience into the Web3, and uh, and for the app users, we're allowing them basically to monetize their time spent on the apps. Imagine if you're a player of Call of Duty or Fortnite or some kind of game that you have some kind of achievements and progress, and you can monetize your time. You can then take that skin of a gun and mint it as an NFT, or take some kind of achievement that you got, some kind of character that you achieved, or some kind of IP that you have created, mint that as an NFT, and then sell that NFT on any marketplace.
Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you, sir. So I think from the developer points, they have a lot of opportunity in the interact, like their product and also services make it too easy app developers to interact with the Web3. And also this allows developers to focus on creating and engaging like innovative gaming experience, and also the tools and also services provided a convenient and efficient way for the developers. And those are people, the users actually, they are also get benefit from this project, like their product and also services offer the users a more stimulating and engaging and also rewarding way to interact with the gaming applications and also manage their asset.
Yeah,
So yeah,
yeah,
go
that's
on.
that's that's exactly it. So that's exactly what we're trying to achieve. So yeah, thank you for giving that a little bit more light.
Yeah, definitely. And also, sir, I saw that you have your dashboard also. Could you say more about your dashboard, how it
Yeah, sure.
works?
So basically, the dashboard is the first place that we meet with our customers, with our B2B customers. It's a place for the app developers and game studios to easily integrate Web3 capabilities into their app. They got plenty of tutorials and documentation and video guides, and in the future, we're also going to create live support teams. The mission is basically to remove all the barriers of adoption on the technological side for the app developers to integrate the Web3 capabilities. So we're going to make it as easy as possible with a lot of, support and help from our team to make it a seamless process of integrating our products. The dashboard is a place that they can get some valuable insights on the user's data and behavior. They can get information about the user's digital identity, like his crypto wallet that he signed in with, and like past transactions, and some kind of data that can lead to a more personalized, more targeted user experience, which we feel is very powerful, specifically for the apps that we are approaching.
Yes, got it. So people now worry, like if you visit their website, you may have seen their dashboard, and also their all kind of information is available there. Like their dashboard is very much powerful and also user friendly tools that makes it easy for app and also the developer to integrate Web3 technology into their gaming applications, and also that provides a range of features and also the capabilities that enables the developers to create engaging, rewarding user experience. So I think that's all of there, but they have a lot of key features, including this kind of dashboard. You may visit, you can see there.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, exactly. You can go to our website and you can see a lot of the features that we have currently in the dashboard. And in the future, we're also planning to add some more, much more cooler things like targeted NFT airdrops that the app developers and the game studios can do for their users. or for gaining user acquisition campaigns using NFT airdrops that they can be able to control directly from our dashboard.
Yeah. So, sir, I just want to know that, do you have any plan to make your own metaverse?
Not right now. That's not really inside our scope of work. But we're leaving it up to the game studios and to the game developers because at the end of the day, what we're trying to achieve is to increase the adoption of Web3 and blockchain. And we're experts at creating seamless onboarding channels. We're not really experts at creating metaverse and game designs and stuff like that. So we're leaving it for the game studios to develop the metaverses, and we're just going to support them by providing them with a way to fiat to NFT onboarding payment system for their metaverse.
Yeah, got it. So, I just want to know, as you said, you are helping to developing the game. So, anyone if comes to your project, is there any kind of needs registration or any kind of fees for that?
Yeah, so right now we're offering our core products for free, meaning that we don't require any upfront costs or any adjustments to the app, except integrating like a one liner of code. And our business model basically supports the growth of young companies like ourselves by doing a revenue share with them instead of charging them a subscription like some of our competition. Instead of that, we chosen to take a more growth together approach, on which we split the revenue that we make from the minting of in-game items. We charge about $5 from the users for minting an in-game item, and we split that revenue with the game developer. So instead of game studios and app developers need to pay for the service for the service of Web3 integration tools, they actually get money from it.
Yeah, got it. Thank you, sir, for this clarification. And also, people they have their wallet that is Interact. So Interact with the social gaming wallet that offers users a unique and also engaging experience that combines the best social networks and also gamifications. I can say their wallet key points, gamified experience, social network features, awareness notifications, and swapping and gallery view. Could you, sir, say a little bit about your
Yeah,
wallet
sure.
also?
So the wallet is something that right now taking most of our focus. It's the dashboard and the minter, the fiat to NFT payment system are both working products, and the wallet is something that right now it's in R&D phase. We're expecting it to be ready in about 4 to 5 months. And the coolest thing about our crypto wallet is that it's totally different than other wallets in the market. Like we're taking a much more social approach to the wallet. And while most of the wallet companies in the market are much more finance oriented, MetaMask and Zengo. So they're taking a much more finance oriented approach, like send money here, receive money there, swap this kind of money to that kind of money. But it's a very financial experience. Like you want to spend money, use your crypto wallet. But because our niche is much more um, um, evolved around culture and around games. So we're creating a much more social wallet that will basically incorporate features from social networks like Twitter, and it's going to support community group chats. That basically app developer games could create communication channels for their community using our wallet. So it's also going to be a wallet, but it's also going to have a lot of social network features and communication features. So that's a pretty different and unique approach as we see it to the market, which could give us a pretty big advantage.
Yeah, that's very interesting actually. So as like Sir said, they have a lot of features in this kind of wallet, like a gamified experience and social network features. Like their wallet includes many of features that user expert from the social networks, such as the profiles, in-app chat, and also ability to share the events
Yeah.
also. So, sir, I just wanted to know actually the key points that what makes you actually attractive and more different from
I'm sorry,
others.
can you repeat the question?
Yeah, yeah. I just want to know that is you can say about some key points or like what makes you different, what makes you unique than
Oh,
others.
yeah. So I think, the set of comprehensive tools that we offer is something that is a very unique offering in the market. There's companies that have this kind of minter service, some kind of API, some kind of SDKs, a lot of the similar wordings that we see with our company, but none of them really offers a comprehensive set of tools and Web3 integration tools that create this kind of positive flywheel that we're hoping to create with our products. Having an SDK, having an API, it's all great stuff, and eventually it's open source technology, and we're creating a lot of automations on it that are unique to our IP. But having a wallet or having SDKs and APIs is nice, but not a lot of companies, if at all, have like the combination of two with the unique approach that we took. I didn't really see any company in the market that took this kind of more social and culture-based approach instead of a more financial approach that most companies take. So I think that gives us a pretty unique selling point in the market right now, like the whole social thing. Um, and besides that, I think, eventually it all comes down to how good your user experience is, how good your user interface is, how strong is your value proposition to app developers and game studios. And that's, one of the reasons that why we built our value proposition to be a free core product, a very short integration time, like less than 24 hours, you already have Web3 capabilities in your app, new additional revenue streams from day one of integration because we're doing a rev share with the companies. So these all are stuff that puts us in a unique position in the market right now. But I think that the main thing that puts us aside is the social aspect that we're taking. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Uh,
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. So I'm going to the last question from the introductory part, and also people get prepare you, with your best question to ask our honorable guest. So the last question is, what is your future plan right now according to your roadmap?
Yeah, so according to our roadmap, our future plan is, and our current focus is our social wallet. We want to finish the development as soon as possible. Um, and, besides that, I think the main thing right now is to always be in touch with the community and see what the community also wants for. Just, as an example, the past few days we've been monitoring the official Interact with groups on Telegram and other social media channels, and we're very much listening to the community and what they want. So, just as an example, they all talked about locking the tokens, locking the liquidity, burning the tokens from that were unsold on the launch pads or got refunded. So we're all over it, trying to always work with our community together to create the priorities that are best for the company. Um, and besides that, we're trying to finish the development of a social wallet as soon as possible. And in the meantime, as the dust from the listing and from the IDO settles, we're basically creating a plan on how to do the maximum, extract the maximum, create the maximum value for the app developers and for the game studios with the current situation of the company right now. So yeah, I think overall things are looking very, very good, and hopefully, it will keep going this good as it's been so far.
Okay, thank you, sir, for answering all the questions from the introductory part. And also, I just want to request everyone, like, try to engage with the interact. And also, I think if you wanted to make your games, if you wanted to develop your games, that will be beneficial to everyone. So it's time to take some question from the community. Sorry, you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, the first one is An Era. Hello, An Era, are you there? Hello, An Era, are you there? Ask your question, please. You're unmuted. I think some network issue with him or her. So just wait. Let me choose another one.
Okay.
Hello, Nahabi. Hello, Nahabi.
Hello.
Sorry, Hanabi. It's actually, yeah. Ask your question, please.
Okay, thanks for this opportunity. So I just want to ask that can you give some details about integrated wallet and what's the difference between your wallet and compared to others wallet and when it will be available?
Yeah, so that's sure. So thank you for your question, sir. Just to make sure I got that one. So you asked to talk more about the wallet, when it's going to be ready, and what are going to be the unique selling points in the market.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Great question. Thank you. So yeah, so the wallet is going to be very, very cool. We're working on the finishing of the development right now. We expect it to be ready in about 4 to 5 months. That's in the second half of 2023. And the main differentiator is the very social approach that we're taking to this wallet. We're gonna put a lot of social features inside, like group chats, community chats. You will be able to communicate with other people and other users that play the same games like you play, which is a very cool and unique feature. And this is also, all of this is going to be incorporated into a digital wallet that basically you can also create financial interactions with your community, and the app developer or the game studio that owns the game will be able to have a lot of engaging marketing, user acquisition campaigns with their community and with new audiences. um, and all of this should be ready in about 4 to 5 months, hopefully.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you for your question.
Yeah. Thank you, Hanabi, for your question, and also stay tuned with them. So the next one is Poet. Hello, Poet.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah. Ask your question, please.
Okay. So my question is, according to the project roadmap, what are your most important next priorities and what is your strongest advantage that you think will make your team leading the market? And that's my question. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So appreciate the question. So it was two questions, right? What's our mission, and what's our biggest advantage in the market
Yeah,
right now?
yeah, right.
Yeah, so thank you. Great questions. Our mission is, and it was the same mission from day one, and it's gonna remain the same mission as we move forward, is to accelerate the adoption of Web3 technologies around the globe. And we're gonna do this mission, and we're gonna accomplish it by creating attractive and compelling mass market Web3 integration tools that make it easy for Web2 brands, applications, and games to onboard into Web3. The main differentiator between us and other companies in the market that are doing this is our approach is based more on social culture and gamification, and less on financial aspects, such as sending, swapping, staking, and stuff like that. But we're taking a much more cultural approach. We believe that at the end of the day, culture is what drives the world. And as Elon Musk said, he who controls the memes controls the world. So memes are culture, and whoever controls the culture controls everything. And we're taking a much more cultural approach to this.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you. Answered very well. Thank you so much.
thank you. Point for the question. Next one is the Mr. Prank. Hello, Mr. Prank.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ask your question, please.
Okay, my question is how do you plan to retain long term investors and what are the benefits of retaining them? Are you planning to move to another blockchain in the future or launch your mainnet? That's my question.
Yeah, so thank you for your question. I appreciate it. It's a great question, actually, because it allows me to maybe align part of the audience. We are not currently doing a blockchain of our own, meaning that we are, we have our token that is deployed on Binance Smart Chain, and this token has great functionality that it basically allows for the users to use it as a payment method within the platform. But besides that, we're not planning to deploy our own blockchain or layer one or something like that. Our focus is to basically to create seamless onboarding channels for Web2 companies. And we're going to do it by creating, the best tools in the market. Ones that are very easy to use, very easy to understand, low cost or even free, and that give you the best Web3 capabilities in the market. So that's our focus. Appreciate the question.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Prank, for your great question. And also, as I say, like
Thank
stay
you
tuned
very
with the
much.
Interact and also follow their Twitter and all their social links. So the next one is CVS. Hello, CVS.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, CVS, ask your question, please.
Okay, okay. My question is trust is the most important thing in very business, even in life. So, can you please tell us what makes users, investors, and customers feel safe when they are working with you?
I'm
That's my
sorry, can
question.
you repeat that question again?
Okay, I repeat my question. Trust is the most important thing in very business, even in life. So, can you please tell us what makes users, investors, and customers feel safe when they are working with you?
Yeah, sure. So, for us, the most important thing is to keep our customers happy, to keep the community happy, and to create value for the Web3 adoption. That's the most important thing for us, and it's always going to be there to guide us as we keep on building, Web3 integration tools, and we keep on creating more partnerships in the market, and building our own brand and reputation inside the Web3 market. So, for us, it's always going to be keeping our values of trustworthiness, to be transparent with the community about what we're trying to achieve and what we're trying to build, and to keep our priorities and our roadmap always transparent with the community, so we can get the valuable feedback that we need in order to understand better what the community wants and what the community expects, because it's always what's driving us forward, and what's acting like a compass for what we are doing. Thank you for the question.
Okay, thank you, CVS, for your question. And also the last one, that is Cody. Hello, Cody.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, Cody, ask your question, please.
Yeah, I went through your website, InteractWith website, and I saw that you have a zero fee when doing transaction. So I'm quite inquisitive. Can you tell us about your revenue model for the
Yeah, sure.
project?
So thank you for the question. Uh, our revenue model is based on charging between $3 to $5 from the user when he mints an in-game item to an NFT. Meaning that if you're a user now and you want to mint some kind of design that you made and you want to permanently secure it on a blockchain of your choice, because we currently support Ethereum, Binance, Neon, OKX chain, and more. The user can basically mint that NFT and just pay $3 to $5 to permanently have that digital record of that specific IP or a skin or a character for a game or whatever. And with that revenue that we make, we basically split it between us and the app developers and the game studios. So while we allow them to freely integrate our products, our Web3 products, on the other side, we provide them with additional revenue sources and new monetization channels by giving them a nice percentage, 50-50 percentage of the profits on the minting of in-game items. So that's basically the main business model that we're looking at right now. In addition to that, we're also exploring white label marketplaces that we can create for the Web2 brands and more freemium type sorts of services. Like, only if you hold X amount of Inter tokens, you can get access to special features that we have in the dashboard. You can get access to additional information and data and analytics that we provide for the game developers. So basically, that's the main business model: the fiat charging from the users and the revenue share with the app developers. And I hope,
All right,
yeah,
thank you.
of course.
Yeah, thank you, Cody. So I just want to say, everyone, like if you're a crazy game developer or if you want to make a games by using the Interact with, I think you can do this Interact tools and also their services. The game developers can quickly upgrade their games to offer the blockchain powered by gameplay experience. So, sir, we need to wrap up the same session as we got our five winners, and also we have done our introductory part. Also, do you want to say something before wrapping up the same session? Any kind of advice?
I'd like to thank everybody who take the time to join us and to our beloved community that supports us for the past few months. It's been a crazy ride, and as much as we had an amazing time having a great time building and talking with the community and engaging with our community. We're even more excited about the future, and we already have some stuff in the pipeline that I can't really talk about because it's not really announced yet. But just it's amazing, and it's so excited to be part of this amazing Web3 culture and ecosystem that we're building around us. I'm so thankful for everybody who joined this ride, and just looking forward to keep on building, keep on creating value for our customers and for our community. And yeah, I think that's it. And if anybody needs anything, wants to ask anything, my DMs are open in the Telegram, and I'm happy to help wherever I can.
Yeah. So thank you, sir, for having here. And also with your precious time to the voice community. And also, I just want to say, people, if you have any kind of questions, because I think to this short time we aren't able to make all kind of discussion, but if you have any question, any kind of query, you can ask on their Telegram, Twitter. They will definitely answer it, no problem. And also, sir, best wishes to your project, and thank you for
Yes,
everything.
thank you so much. It was great having been here, and appreciate the time that everybody Cayman, thank you for hosting this
Yeah.
amazing AMA. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye
Bye. Have a
bye.
nice one.